he's gonna
Oh yeah,
splash over there.
Hey, guess what I finally fixed up? What? The P5. That thing is so fast. That is the fastest plane.
It gets to a point where it's no fun. See, it's fine now.
No, right, this plane, the P5, is like...
That's a pylon racer.
Yeah, it's like 240 miles an hour.
That's not fun at that point.
It's fun for a minute.
It's fun until you blink once
and then it's
gone.
It's like...
Did I ever... you never knew him, but his name, at Tomcat, his name was Bob House.
No. Oh, I know who he is.
He had...
I think he's got the zip.
Yeah, it's only got 3S.
That's 3S too.
He's got the zip, dude.
But it's quiet. But yeah, he's had multiple run-ins. Like in the late '90s at the T-34 races, he flew into an outhouse when there was a guy in there.
Oh God.
but then another.
Imagine you're in the bathroom and they're like,
wow. The T-34 comes through the roof. And then another guy named Kevin did that with a Nexstar. That was pretty funny.
Just imagine you're like the
I saw that happen too. I felt so bad for the guy in there taking a dump.
Imagine you're fucking taking a dump and then a fucking plane hits your house.
Whap!
Yeah. But then another time they were doing it was T-34 races, but it was the Warbird class, like where they have the custom suits of Warbirds.
Oh, those are fast, yeah.
And he was on the downwind leg, and when you're facing that way, it's like Morgan Hill straight ahead. His radio locked out.
Oh no.
The wings, it was completely level, but the engine it was stuck at full throttle.
Oh God.
And he was on a fresh tank of fuel.
So it just kept going.
It flew into Morgan Hill. The engine then shut off because it ran out of fuel and flew into a person's house.
Oh my God.
It was a 20-mile drive to go get the plane.
Holy crap.
Because it was a fresh tank of fuel and it just went
Just
till it
ran
died.
it all the way out at full throttle. Probably well over 100 miles an hour.
Yeah, the plane goes like 180. But then he became friends with the guy, fixed his house. Yeah, the guy was apparently in his robe washing his car and the plane just flew into his house.
You see what the thing's doing? Look at it.
I know. It just falls. That'd be weird, just in your robe washing your car.
You hear this?
Well, the engine was quitting.
Oh, so you probably just heard the whistling of the airframe.
Yeah, because that thing was so perfectly trimmed when the thing was level, full throttle, it just went completely.
So this is
clean, right?
this is cool about this plane. When it's hovering like that, the controls are reversed. So left makes it go right, right makes it go left.
You know why I think that is?
It's yaw. It yaws that way.
Yeah, yaw. Because it's like it's causing drag.
Drag, yeah. But it's cool. I like this thing. I used to do plop landings at Baylands.
Yeah, Baylands is an amazing place, alright?
If there's nobody there, it's great.
You meet all the fun people at Bayside, right? You meet all the characters out there.
Some are interesting.
There's some fascinating individuals.
To say the least.
I'm just gonna say that, alright?
Alright, let's see if I can do this again.
I almost got killed by a glider once.
Okay, so I'm holding left right now and it's gonna go right and it's gonna go left. See? Now it's doing nothing, it's just sinking.
Yeah, you're directly going with the wind. The wind's going that way. It's got power for 3S.
It's only supposed to be a 64 millimeter and it's a 70. And 14 plates.
This is a 70?
Yeah.
It sounds like my F4, right?
It is even quieter.
Yeah, this one's more, man.
Not that much. It's only 70. It's 70.
It's got speed too. I'm not playing off.
It's all right.
I just want to just take a rocket. When they're out on the runway, just throw it into the prop, and they won't be able to fly.
And then there goes your $150 propeller.
What do you mean? That's probably like a $200 propeller. And this guy's flying FPV, and there's a 160 plane about to take off. That thing would be fun to FPV.
Yeah, it moves. I'm almost done, guys.
That was awesome! Woo! What? Remember Alex? The night flight?
Speaking of night flight, I sent in my Camp AMA application. It's official. I'm going.
Cool.
Me and Keon already booked our flights.
Nice.
So yeah, it's weird. We're flying. Usually on the way there, you stop in Vegas, but now we're stopping in Colorado on the way there. And then in Vegas.
That's a cool place because it's an Air Force base.
Yeah.
You can see cool stuff there. F-16s and other stuff. Okay, landing!
Yeah, but taking off because you're at a way higher density altitude, you take so much longer to
Yep.
come around. And landing, it's like bumpy.
Landing, you land, it's really fast the whole way down. You going to DIA?
Huh?
Denver International?
Yeah.
Hey. Catch it.
I actually could.
Can I catch it, right?
No. Bloop.
Right, you should have had me catch it.
Remember when I yelled at you not to catch my F-16?
It's fragile.
Just landed. Remember that the Corsair that like landed in my hand?
No, that was the F-16. I told you.
That was crazy.
I told you I was catching, but then I was high altitude.
Yeah, literally, I had my hand like this, and it was like right in my hand. Like I wasn't
That
even
thing was
trying to.
fun.